high-end show here in Munich. I'm from Canton. We got something very, very special for you with the new reference series. So it's our flagship series from Canton, and as you see here, we got very, very huge speakers in the demonstration. It starts with a reference 1 as the new top model of the reference series, and as you see, it's a high-class performance speaker, yeah, with a nice finish here. We have a lot of new technology integrated with the ceramic tungsten technology here, a ceramic tweeter system. You see here in the front already the shapes of the speaker, and compared to the speakers before from the series, you got really nice shapes in the front. You got the shapes on the back, and even on the top of the model, you see the shapes that fold behind, and you see still from the base guide, you see the shapes even on the back, which is going up, and so we got a really nice round shaping speaker here with a lot of new technology. And the idea behind was that we create definitely a more modern living speaker, which fits in a lot of living rooms here, and with a new look, a fresh look. And when you see here, there's not only the one speaker you see here. We got a huge, massive speaker here, especially for the high end, with a reference GS. So it's our absolutely top model, and so it's top of the top, and it's limited up to 50 pairs. So you see here a new tweeter system we got here with a diamond tweeter, and as you see here we got 4 woofer systems with a double litho system here, and yeah, it's a massive speaker. When we love to show it here the first time in Munich on the high end. Next to the speakers, from floor standing speakers, of course we got smaller sizes too. All kind of models, from the bookshelf speakers till the center, up to the center speaker, to the subwoofer, and of course we got of course from the floor standing speakers all different sizes, from very high to smaller floor standing speakers.
I see that there are many finishes, right?
Yeah, we got 3 finishes. So we got the piano finish in black, we got a matte finish in white, and we got a walnut veneer in walnut.
Okay. And what are the differences from comparing this new series to the old generations?
First, of course, it's the design. It's completely new, and you see the shapes. If you see it especially from the side, the shapes are very, very round. And then you see the front is completely new with the round shaping in the front, and even the base guide you see here, like the guide you see here, it's a completely new port we got here in the base, and yeah, that's from the design side. From the technical side, of course, we got a connection, completely new connection terminal with WBT terminal, and yeah, you got a level adjustment in the tweeter system and in the mid range, and of course new technology here with the new membranes in ceramic tungsten and black, and an optimized ceramic tweeter system. So there's a lot of technology here which is completely new.
And we know already when will be available on the market?
They are available in September, October this year. So it's the first time we show the products here on the high-end show in Munich, and we start to sell them in September, October.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The first time last year we showed a Flag ceramic driver. Flag ceramic driver in Black Edition. These drivers are actually made of a former aluminum membrane. So the inner structure, or the basis for this driver is aluminum membrane, and then in a chemical process with a lot of voltage that you need, we transform actually the aluminum to a ceramic structure, and so the aluminum is still inside, but the front and the rear of the membrane is ceramic structure. The incredible thing that happens is that it's much stiffer, but it's still as light as before. So we don't have an addition of mass. It's the same weight, but the structure of the membrane is completely different. And now for this time we have another ingredient which is secret, and this new ingredient that we're using is adding something to the membrane in this process that makes the driver even stiffer. We have a better inner damping, and we achieve this without gaining again mass. So it's still the same weight, and in this process the driver changes its color to black. So the driver is not, not sprayed, not painted. There's no coated thing. It's in this process the driver changes its color and is in the end, when finished, is black ceramic. So the driver that you are seeing here in front is the reference 1. Reference 1 is a 3-way system using as well ceramic tweeter. The mid-range is a ceramic driver, of course, and we use 3 woofers. The woofers are working in a vented enclosure. We have a downfire opening, so the port is in the bottom and is firing to the side. So if you have a look at this speaker here, we have an opening here and the opening on the front. The walls here are closed, so we have 2 directions firing downfire port. And the mid-range, of course, has its own enclosure, so there's no interaction between woofers and the mid-range, as you may expect.